This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Lift the arm away from the glass for clearance. Depress the release lever, then slide the wiper blade back out of the hook in the end of the arm. Slide the new blade fully into the hooked end of the arm. An audible click can be heard that indicates it's secure.